Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Anybody like these beads? Because I love them.
My daughter and I love these beads. You can mix and match them, and the color combos are endless. With these red beads, though, they match a lot of different colors, and I love that they're so big and chunky. It's super easy to put on your hair. You can take whatever bead threader you have, twist or braid your hair, use the braid threader, and then just slide them on up. Super simple. You can add as many as you would like all in one sweep. Like I said before, red really goes with any color combo. This is just the latest one that we did.
So if you're looking for beads for a craft, I would highly recommend this product, but I specifically use them for my daughter's hair. She loves them. I love them. She gets a lot of compliments when her hair is beaded, and she loves to mix and match colors and sizes, and she always has different ideas. And these red ones are like up there with the ones that she really likes. So I would highly recommend this product. You can use a lot of them at a low price point. So I love it, and that's my point of view.